Hi guys, let's look at the homework questions of exercise 6E. So let's start. The first question is question number 2. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:7. So let the numbers be x and y. So what's given is x is to y is equal to 4:7, which means x upon y is equal to 4 upon 7, which means 7x is equal to 4y, which means 7x minus 4y is equal to 0, and that's our first equation. Next, if thrice the larger be added to twice the smaller. Well, obviously y is the larger number because it is the bigger ratio. So which means thrice the larger, which means 3 times y is added to twice the smaller, is added to twice the smaller. What we have is the sum is 59. So 3y plus 2x is equal to 59. Let's read that again. Thrice the larger is added to twice the smaller. The sum is 59. That's correct. So that's our second equation. So now we have two equations. We need to solve them simultaneously. So this is 7, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Let's multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 4. This will help us equate the coefficients of y. So this would become 21x minus 12y is equal to 0, and 4 into 2, that's 8x plus 12y is equal to 59 into 4, that's 236. So that's 236. Let's add them. This is 29x is equal to 236, which means x is equal to 236 upon 29, which will be 29 into 8. Yes, 160 and 72, 232. So that's 8, 4 upon 29. Therefore, x is equal to 8, 4 upon 29. That's our first number. Yeah, slightly complicated, but yeah, that's the correct answer. So put x is equal to 236 upon 29 in equation 1, and let's see what we get. So when I put this here, we have 7 times 236 upon 29 is equal to 4 times y, which means y will be equal to 7 into 236 upon 29 into 4. Yes, divide by 4. So 4, 1, 4 into 5, 20, 36, 4 into 59. So this is 7 into 59, that's 350 and 63. So that's 413 upon 29. So y is 413 upon 29, which will be 29 into 129. That's 12. So what would be 4? Yes, so that's 80 and 32. Yeah, that's correct. And what we are left with is 7. So that's 7 upon 29. Therefore, y is equal to 14, 7 upon 29. So that's the final answer. Let's read the question. The number, find the number. Therefore, the numbers are 8, 4 upon 29 and 14, 7 upon 29. Good, let's look at the next one. The next one that we do is question number 4. It says the sum of two positive numbers x and y with x given x is more than y is 50. So x plus y is 50, and the difference of their squares, which means x square minus y square, is given equal to 720. We can write this as x plus y multiplied with x minus y is equal to 720, which means 50 multiplied with x minus y is equal to 720, which means x minus y is equal to 720 upon 50, which means 5x minus 5y is equal to 72. So this was our first equation, and now this is our second equation. Let me number the steps meanwhile, and let's see how we can solve these two simultaneous equations. Let's multiply the first equation with 5, and what we'll get is 5x plus 5y is equal to 250, and 5x minus 5y is equal to 72. Let's add them. We have 10x is equal to 2, 7 plus 5, 12. That's 322, which means x is equal to 32.2. Now, the next part of the question, put x is equal to 32.2 in equation 1, and we have y is equal to 50 minus 32.2. That would be 4217, right? So 17.8. So y is equal to 17.8. As per the question, find the number. Therefore, the numbers are 32.2 and 17.8. Wonderful. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 7. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. So let the numbers be x and y. So what's given is x is to y is equal to 4:5, which means 5x is equal to 4y, which means 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. That's our first equation. Next, if 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 1:2. So if 30 is subtracted, which means x minus 30 is to y minus 30 is equal to 1:2. That's correct. So now let's the product of extremes is equal to the product of medians, or you could write it in the fraction form. So x minus 30 upon y minus 30 is equal to 1/2, whichever method you suit. And now let's cross multiply. So 2x minus 60 is equal to y minus 30, which means 2x minus y is equal to negative 30 plus 60. That's 30. So that's our second equation. So 5x minus 4y is 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 30. So let's multiply the second equation with 4, and we have 8x minus 4y is equal to 120. That's correct. 8x minus 4y is 120, and the first equation was 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. Let's subtract. When we subtract, we have negative 4y plus 4y gets cancelled. 8x minus 5x, that 3x is equal to 120, which means x is equal to 40. Now put x is equal to 40 in equation 1, and we have 5x minus 4y, which means 5 into 40 minus 4y is equal to 0. 200 is equal to 4y. Y is equal to 50. Therefore, the numbers are 40 and 50. So these are the two numbers. Simple. Let's look at the next question. The next homework question was question number 9. Question number 9 says the sum of numerator and denominator of fraction is equal to 7. So let the fraction be x upon y. So it says the sum is 7. So x plus y is equal to 7. That's our first equation. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. So 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator, which means 5 into denominator minus 8. Let's look at it again. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than the 5 times the denominator, which means 4x is equal to 5y minus 8, which means 4x minus 5y is equal to negative 8. That's our second equation. Let's see how we can solve this. So if I can equate the coefficient of y, which means I'll multiply the first equation with 5. So what we have is 5x plus 5y is equal to 35, and 4x minus 5y is equal to negative 8. This gets cancelled. This is 9x is equal to 27, x is equal to 3. So put x is equal to 3 in equation 1, and we get 3 plus y is equal to 7, which means y is equal to 4. I've said this earlier, if you leave your answer at this point, you don't get full marks because the question wants you to find the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is x, in this case 3, upon y, in this case 4. So that's our final answer, 3 upon 4. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we are doing is question number 11. A fraction becomes 1 by 2 if 5 is subtracted from numerator. Okay, so let fraction be x upon y. The case 1 says becomes 1 upon 2 if 5 is subtracted from numerator. So x minus 5 upon and 3 is subtracted from denominator upon y minus 3 is equal to half. Fraction becomes half if 5 is subtracted from numerator, 3 is subtracted from denominator. Perfect. Cross multiply. 2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 3. 2x minus y is equal to negative 3 plus 10, that's 7. So that's our first equation. 2x minus y is equal to 7. Next question. Denominator is 5 more than the numerator, which means denominator is 5 more than numerator. Let's put it in the variables that we have. Y is equal to x plus 5, which means I can write this equation as x minus y is equal to negative 5. That's our second equation, right? X minus y is equal to negative 5. So we have two equations. The coefficient of y is already same, which is 1. In fact, negative 1 in both the cases. So let's subtract them. So 2x minus y is equal to 7. X minus y is equal to negative 5. When I subtract, the sign changes. So 2x minus x, that's x. Negative y plus y gets cancelled. 7 plus 5, that's 12. So x is equal to 12. So put x is equal to 12 in equation 2. And we have 12 minus y is equal to negative 5, which means y is equal to 17. So again, the question is asking about the fraction. So our answer has to be in the form of fraction. Therefore, fraction is 12 upon 17. Perfect. That's our final answer. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we have is question number 13. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7. Okay, so let the number be x, y. So this is x is in the tens digit, y is in the unit digit. So that's our first part. The sum of the digits is 7. X plus y is equal to 7. That's our first equation. Next, if the digits are reversed, new number decrease by 2. Okay, so value of this number is 10x plus y. Right, so that's the original number. On reversing, what we get is yx. So new value is equal to 10y plus x. Correct. So the new value is 10y plus x. Now let's see the relationship. If the digits are reversed, the new number decreased by 2. So new number minus 2 is equal to twice the original number. 2 into original number. That's the relationship given in the question. Let's substitute values and see what we get. So new value is 10y plus x minus 2 is equal to 2 times 10x plus y. Let's open bracket and see what do we get. So 10y plus x minus 2 is equal to 20x plus 2y. Let's bring it on one side. So 20x minus x, that's 19x. 2y minus 10y, that's negative 8y, and negative 2 remains here. 20x minus x, 2y minus 10y, and negative 2 remains here. Perfect. So that's our equation number 2. How we need to solve these two equations? Let's try and make the coefficient of y equal, which means I'll multiply the first equation with 8. What we have is 8x plus 8y is equal to 56, and 19x minus 8y is equal to negative 2. Let's add them. 19 plus 8, 27x, 56 minus 2, 54, which means x is equal to 2. So we've got the value of x. Next, put x is equal to 2 in equation number 1, and we have 2 plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 5. Therefore, the number is 25. That's our final answer, writing it in the form that they have asked. They haven't asked us to calculate x and y, they've asked us to calculate the value of the number, which is 25. That brings me to the next question. Oh, we still have 2 more. Okay, so that's question number 15. A 2-digit number is such that the tens digit exceeds twice the unit digit by 2. Okay, let number be 10 unit x comma y. So what's given is the number, the tens digit, which means x exceeds the units digit by 2, twice the units digit, which means x is equal to 2y plus 2. The tens digit exceeds the units digit 2 times the units digit by 2, which means x minus 2y is equal to 2. That's our first equation. And the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. Okay, so value of number on interchanging will be 10y plus x, correct? So 10y plus x would be the number of the value of the number when you interchange the digits. So the relationship is number obtained is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. So 10y plus x is 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. So 3 times x plus y plus 5. Yes, that's the correct equation. Now let's solve it. So 10y plus x is equal to 3x plus 3y plus 5. Bringing x and y on one side. So what we have is x minus 3x, that's negative 2x. Yes, x minus 3x. 10y minus 3y, that's plus 7y is equal to 5. So negative 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. That's our second equation. So I have x minus 2y, negative 2x plus 7y. Let's multiply the first equation with 2. And what we get is 2x minus 4y is equal to 4. That's correct. 2x minus 4y is equal to 4. And negative 2x plus 7y is equal to 5. Adding them, negative 4y plus 7y is 3y. 4 plus 5, 9, which means y is equal to 3. Next, put y is equal to 3 in equation 1. And we have x minus 6 is equal to 2. X is equal to 8. Therefore, the number is 83. So that's our final answer. Good, that brings me to the last homework question, which is question number 17. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 121. Okay, let number be 10 unit x, y. Value of this number is 10x plus y. Next, on interchanging, what we get is in 10 place now we have y, and in units place we have x, which means new value is equal to 10y plus x. It says sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 121, which means 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 121, which means 11x plus 11y is 121. Dividing both sides by 11, x plus y is equal to 11. That's our first equation. Good, let's read the question. If the digits of the number differ by 3, now it's not given whether it's x more than y or y more than x, because in any case we are interchanging, and after that we are adding. So then what is given is x minus y is equal to 3. That's our second equation. We can also have y minus x is equal to 3. This is also possible. So let's work with x minus y is equal to 3. So what we have is x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 3. Adding them, 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. So put x is equal to 7 in equation number 1, and we get 7 plus y is equal to 11, which means y is equal to 4. So therefore the number is 74 or 47, right? The difference in both the cases is 3. We don't know whether x is bigger or y is bigger, right? So that brings me to an end of this exercise as well as this video. Feel free to write into me if you have any questions or queries. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye bye.